Namaste Karam Yogi. Welcome to the My iGOT tutorial, which will help you create a brand new My iGOT section for your ministry or department or organization on the iGOT Karam Yogi platform. First, let us take a step back and find out what My iGOT is. My iGOT consists of a curated section of courses tailored to each learner's role, in line with the capacity building plans or the courses recommended by the respective ministry, department or organization. My iGOT helps the tracking of each individual government official's learning journey within the timeline assigned. So, who creates My iGOT? The MDO leaders or admin like you play a crucial role in strategic planning and matching the courses to learners' role to cater to their specific needs. Let's now explore the step-by-step guide in creating My iGOT. First, log in into MDO portal and go to Training Plan tab. Click on Create CPP to initiate the process. Next, fill in the plain title. Then move to the Add Content tab and select the course program available on iGOT Karam Yogi platform that matches the capacity building plan and also the mandated courses by Department of Personnel and Training. Click on the toggle button at the right to activate the feature that links the training plan in My iGOT with the APAR of officials of your ministry, department and organizations. Now proceed to Add Assignee to include learners based on designation, all users and custom users. Following that, add timeline to the training plan. Assign a deadline to each selected course to establish a structured timeline for the course completion. Finally, save what you have done at My iGOT by clicking on the Save Draft button. To make My iGOT live, navigate to the Draft section under the Training Plan tab. Now locate your plan, click on the three dots and select Publish to make My iGOT accessible to the learners in your ministry, department or organization. That's all. Congratulations! You have successfully created My iGOT. And now it's time to embrace the power of continuous and personalized learning.